Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we have a very special, beautiful Seiko from the 90s piece. As you can see, a very nice ladies tiny Seiko watch that is powered by a quartz movement. It comes with this original Seiko two-tone bracelet. As you can see, it is beautifully integrated with the watch case, and as you can see, we have this rectangular bezel which is gold tone that continues with the details on the middle of the bracelet, and then we have this outer part, this stainless steel silver tone piece that also continues on the lateral part of the watch. We have the gold tone watch crown, which is also a nice addition to the gold tone detailing, which also continues to the dial. As you can see, we have the gold tone hour markers and the gold tone watch hands, and we have Seiko written at 12 o'clock. We have this rectangular watch crystal, the original one. There are a few minor scratches which are very risky to remove in case you actually break this watch crystals, because they are very hard to find, but nonetheless a very beautiful piece. As you can see here on the back, we have the signed Seiko stainless steel back with all the information about the model, and then I believe we should also have here Seiko written because this is the original bracelet. As you can see right here, Seiko. Now if you enjoy these watches guys, Seiko Citizen watches from the 90s, make sure to check them out on our website vintageradar.com, link in the description below. And also, if you want to see more videos about watches, vintage watches, watch reviews, watch unboxing videos, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video because it helps me a lot, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.